Okay, like I said, I'm going to be having my first meal for today, and this is just about 1 o'clock, Tuesday, 14th of May. So, this is my first meal, no meal in the morning. I don't take meals in the morning or breakfast. So, normally I eat 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock. So, I now need to prepare this. It's going to take me around 2 hours, 1 hour to prepare this. So, before then, it will be around 3 o'clock. So, I'm taking 4 eggs, my only meal for today. Livers, what do you call this part? I can't remember. Then a little bit of piece of chicken. I had some chicken stock, so I need to finish them before I buy beef. So this is my meal for today. Just meat, carnivore diet. So I'm going to make some boil it, and I'm not going to fry or barbecue, just boil. So this is my only meal for today, and we'll see how it goes. So also I'm going to use this to spice up my meat. It's a local African recipe. Very good, very healthy. So I just use it to cook the meat to make it a little bit edible. Special recipe. So our meat is ready. So this is a cooked meat, boiled egg. And this is juice from it. I'm going to take a little. It also have some special African spice to it. So it's for good. It's very good. So this is what I will eat for today and tomorrow. I think of what to eat again. This is just 2 hours. It took me 2 hours to prepare this. So see you guys tomorrow.